I want to start today's display. I am 1,000,000% sure Ethiopia will have sovereign sea access, whether our neighbor likes it or not.
I can unequivocally reaffirm that the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Eritrea are non-negotiable. Even though I don't usually respond to his delusional statements, I will respond to his idiotic statements out of respect to this debate. Shoot. Red Sea coastlines, including the ports of Massawa and Assab, is an integral part of Eritrea's sovereign territory. Eritrea's independence is recognized internationally under international, including UN Security Council Resolution 751 and the Algiers Agreement. May I ask this illiterate buffoon of this statement who I'm getting sovereign sea access without details on how, where, and when? Can you enlighten me on that?
We will ask our neighbors peacefully through exchanges of assets from Ethiopia. If not, we will resort to any means necessary.
My country is your neighbor, and there is nothing we need from you. What now?
Oh, no.
Are you declaring war now against all of your neighbors, including Eritrea, if you do not get your way in front of the international audience?
Oh, he is killing me.
We stand ready for constructive engagement to work with Ethiopia to get legal trade sea access. We are ready to work with Ethiopia to sign a commercial lease agreement, as we have said plenty of times before in meetings and negotiations, if he is ready for it. In any other ways, we will defend our territorial integrity by all necessary means, including removing this clown from power. Any assertion of sovereign access implying territorial control, militarization on Eritrean jurisdiction, crosses a red line. We urge the international community, including the African Union and the United Nations, to look at this colonial mentality before it is too late.